Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best MYNT3D Super is probably one of the most exciting and accessible ways to bring your digital creations into the physical world, allowing artists, hobbyists, and even students to draw, design, and build in 3 dimensions with ease and precision. This innovative tool transforms plastic filament into a molten material that cools rapidly, enabling you to sketch and build structures layer by layer, opening up a universe of creative possibilities that were once confined to screens and paper. Whether you're looking to repair broken items, create intricate models, or simply explore the fun of 3D art, the MYNT3D Super offers an intuitive and engaging experience for users of all skill levels. Number 5. MYNT3D 32 Colors 3D Pen PLA Filament Refills. Discover a world of color with our 3D pen filament refills. This pack includes a unique mix of metallic, clear, and popular solid colors, perfect for all your 3D drawing and art projects. Designed with a 1.75 mm diameter, these refills are compatible with most 3D pens and printers on the market. It's an excellent choice for exploring different hues in your creations. Experience smooth and consistent printing thanks to our high-quality PLA filament. With precise diameter control and vacuum packaging, you can expect a bubble-free, eco-friendly printing experience every time. Get a total of 320 feet of filament, with each of the 32 colors providing 10 feet of material. This generous pack is perfect for numerous creative endeavors. We've also included 4-finger caps to ensure a comfortable and safe crafting experience as you bring your ideas to life. We stand by the quality of our filament. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to respond within 24 hours to ensure your complete satisfaction. What we like. This refill pack offers an incredible 32 distinct colors, including metallics and clear options. If you're looking to add vibrant and varied hues to your 3D creations without buying multiple small packs, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for artists and hobbyists who want a broad palette for detailed projects. What people say. The pen is easy to use and the temperature control is accurate. It comes with a good variety of filament colors and the extrusion is smooth. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold for extended periods. Number 4. 3D Printer Enclosure with LED lighting. Improve your workspace visibility with our innovative built-in LED light strip. It illuminates your printing process, allowing you to monitor it more effectively, even in low-light conditions. Provides a stable and controlled environment for your prints, maintaining a consistent temperature. This ensures high-quality prints while avoiding failures and material wastage, enhancing your printing speed and efficiency. Protect your 3D printer and reduce the risk of accidents with fire-resistant materials and a sturdy structure. It avoids dust particles from entering and negatively impacting print quality, ensuring stable and perfect results every time. It features a 5-minute easy installation, quick start, and is easily disassembled for moving or replacing. Its robust construction ensures stability during operation, minimizing vibrations that could compromise print precision. This enclosed cover effectively blocks the transmission of printing noise. You can effectively reduce noise and enjoy the silent printing process. It is compatible with a wide range of 3D printers, including popular models. If your printer size is smaller than 29.5 by 25.6 by 21.6 inches, it can also be compatible, providing adaptability for many users. What we like. This enclosure enhances your printing visibility with integrated LED lighting and maintains a stable temperature for improved print quality. If you often struggle with low light conditions or experience print failures due to temperature fluctuations, this is a must-have. It's perfect for users who want to ensure consistent, high-quality prints and a safer printing environment. What people say. The MYNT3D Super 3D pen is a fantastic tool for creative expression, allowing users to bring their ideas to life in 3 dimensions. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it suitable for extended use during intricate projects. The pen features adjustable speed and temperature controls, providing precise command over the extrusion process for various filament types. Number 3. MYNT3D 22 Colors PCL Filament Refill for 3 Doodler Start Plus. This PCL filament refill is designed exclusively for the 3 Doodler Start Plus 3D pen. Its 2.5 mm diameter ensures perfect compatibility, but it will not work with other brands. Crafted from PCL material, it offers a safer and healthier 3D printing experience. With a low printing temperature of around 158 degrees Fahrenheit 70 degrees Celsius, it's non-toxic and odorless, making it ideal for all ages. Unleash your creativity with 22 beautiful, bright solid colors. Each strand is 15 centimeters long, matching the original 3 Doodler Start Plus filament, perfect for diverse 3D printing projects. Our PCL filament is made from 100% pure raw material, ensuring high-quality output. You'll receive a total of 110 pieces, totaling 1,650 centimeters of vibrant filament. We offer prompt 24-hour response for any questions you may have. This pack is a fantastic gift for anyone with a low-temperature 3D pen, allowing for endless colorful creations. What we like. Designed specifically for the 3 Doodler Start Plus pen, this PCL filament operates at a much lower temperature, making it safer for younger users. If you're buying for children or are concerned about safety and fumes, this is the ideal option. It provides a worry-free and enjoyable 3D drawing experience with a good range of bright colors. What people say. The MYNT3D Super 3D pen is a fantastic tool for creative expression, allowing users to bring their ideas to life in 3 dimensions. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it suitable for extended use during intricate projects. The pen features adjustable speed and temperature controls, providing precise command over the extrusion of various filament types. Number 2. SCRIB3D P1 3D Printing Pen. Bring your imagination to life in 3 dimensions. This versatile tool is perfect for creating, drawing, and building, enhancing your creativity and artistic skills. Get started right away with our complete kit. It includes multiple colors of filament, power adapter, and helpful guides to kickstart your projects. Designed for ease of use, simply plug it in, select your material, and start creating. The intuitive controls make 3D drawing accessible to everyone. Enjoy unparalleled control with adjustable temperature and speed settings. Whether you're working on intricate details or larger areas, it adapts to your needs. Crafted with safety in mind, it features a clog-free ceramic nozzle, a premium motor, and an auto-sleep function. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year guarantee. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to start 3D drawing right out of the box, including filament and a stencil guide. If you are a beginner looking for an easy-to-use and comprehensive introduction to 3D pens, this is an excellent choice. Its adjustable speed and temperature offer great control for various projects. What people say. The pen is easy to use. It is a great tool for creative projects. The pen heats up quickly and is ready to use in seconds. Number 1. MYNT3D Super 3D Pen. Transform your drawings into amazing 3D creations with this innovative tool. It's perfect for artists, kids, and engineers alike. Achieve perfect results with its stepless speed slider, allowing you to precisely control the material flow. This ensures optimal precision as you draw. Experience market-leading durability with its new ultrasonic sealed nozzle. It's designed to be nearly clog-proof, so you can focus on your art. This device is compatible with both 1.75mm ABS and PLA filaments. It offers great versatility for all your 3D printing needs. The kit includes everything you need to get started: 3 colors of PLA filament, an AC adapter, and a slim, ergonomic pen. Plus, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty. What we like. This pen features a nearly clog-proof nozzle and a comfortable, ergonomic design for extended use. If you've had frustrating experiences with clogged 3D pens or are looking for a durable and comfortable tool for longer creative sessions, this is the one to consider. Its compatibility with both ABS and PLA makes it very versatile. What people say. The pen is easy to use and the temperature control is precise. It comes with a good amount of filament, so you can start creating right away. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold for extended periods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.